Morning friends, welcome to the first ECS T10 Belgium match between OCC vs ECC. Before knowing the stats of the every player, please subscribe my Telegram channel. Go to the Telegram channel and type target for Grand League so that you will get my channel. So that please subscribe my channel so that I will inform you everyone's stats in my Telegram channel only, and if there is any lineup change also, and I will give you the free teams in my Telegram channel. So first of all we will know the pitch report also. The pitch report will favor the bowlers, especially in the first couple of overs. So favors the bowlers, so keep maximum bowlers only. Now I will show you the playing 11 of the both teams also. So try to listen carefully in this video. So I will complete very shortly only. OCC playing 11: S Mohammad, Z Farooq, O Rahim, J Gul Rahman, M Deepak Bali, F Khalik, F Mohammad, A Butt, S Mohammad, F Bhatti, N Siddiqui. And coming to the ECS, S Devan Ali, S Mohammad, A Mohammad, Z Hussain, W Ali, F Mohammad, I Hussain, Z Kalim, S Hussain, A Gul, Malkiz, Z Fahad. And as I said, I read the playing 11 between the OCC vs ECC, and I will show you the stats of the each and every player. I will tell you the. So please listen carefully this video. SLE is the middle order batsman. 13 matches, 218 runs, 17 wickets. He is very important pick because he has a good. He can bowl couple of overs also. Try to keep him. And S Mohammad is the another opening batsman from OCC side. He starts at 48 matches, 1282 runs. He has a very good attacking runs. So try to go with two keepers or go with one keeper only. It's your choice. Jet Farooq is also another middle order batsman. His stats are 70 matches, 651 runs and three wickets. Coming to the batting side, Rahim is a key all-rounder. In this batting order, there are some all-rounders also. Try to listen carefully. I will inform you the all-rounder names also. Oraim is the all-rounder batsman. 9 matches, 167 runs, 3 wickets. A very good pick in the Grand Leagues. A Rahim Mohammad is a very attacking batsman, great hitter, and he starts at 13 matches, 258 runs, 5 wickets. There is a chance of bowling also. So try to go with him as an important player. Jad Gul Rahman is the opening batsman from OCC side. He has a very good attacking batsman, clean player, and he is a very experienced player. He starts at 22 matches, 485 runs and 3 wickets. He is a very good pick. S Mohammad is the opening batsman from ECC side. Very important all-rounder friends. 48 matches, 1303 runs, 51 wickets. You can go with him as an important player. So try to go with him as a main player only. M Deepak Bali is the middle order and fifth down batsman. I don't know surely. 83 matches, 979 runs. It's your choice to go with him. Jad Hussain is the very key all-rounder. 52 matches, 1215 runs, 49 wickets. Very important all-rounder. As I said, in the batting order only, there are 3 all-rounders over him. Haim Mohammad, S Mohammad, and Jad Hussain. There are 4 all-rounders in the batting only. So try to if there are in this match, so try to go with him because this is very important pick. F Khalik is the one-down batsman and he will open some middle order batsman also. Very good important player. 19 matches, 187 runs and 17 wickets. Very key player. W. Radha is also another important player. 6 matches, 95 runs and 7 wickets. Very important middle order player, and he will come to bat as the one down player. So you can go with him. Fazil Mohammad from OCC side. He is also another important player, and he is a very attacking player. He can finish the game also. His stats are 49 matches, 1282 runs, 50 wickets. Very important player. And another Fazil Mohammad from ECC side. He is also an important pick only. 22 matches, 382 runs, 26 wickets. So try to go with them. These are main players as I am reading the stats of the players. A Rahman but 72 matches, 168 runs, 86 wickets, and he is a very important pick, and he is a very good attacking batsman also. Sheki is selected by lowest percentage, but he is very good red hot form. 11 matches, 238 runs, 13 wickets. He is the important player. M Nadim 4 matches, 4 wickets. It's your choice to go with him. Nayu sent 5 matches, 23 runs. So he will not bowl, but he can bat. So coming to the bowler side, very important. S Mohammad is a very important key bowler from OCC side. 31 matches, 252 runs, 54 wickets. Very important player. And S Kalim is also another important player and a key bowler from ECC side. 6 matches, 7 wickets. F Bhatti 10 matches, 12 wickets. He will open the bowling for OCC side, so try to go with him. S Hussain also another good player, and he has a very good record in domestic records also, and he can bat also. So his stats are 48 matches, 749 runs, 92 wickets. He is a very important player. A Gul Malkiz is a 15 matches, 6 wickets, and F Jardran also has a good record, but I didn't get his stats. If I get his stats, I will inform in my Telegram channel. And N Siddiqui is also another key bowler from OCC side. 17 matches, 18 wickets. And A Abbas will also ball if he is there in this match. So try to go with the good combination only. As I said, I inform every stats and I will show you the stats of the each and every player so that you can see that stats and you can take a pick also. This is the stats of the ECC, so you can take a pick so that you can get some stats also. And this is the stats of the OCC side. You can go with them. And these are the important players. Now I will tell you the captain and vice captain choices also. Coming to the batsman side only, I am going with captain as S. Mohammad. He is a very good pick. Jad Hussain is another good pick. A. Rahim Mohammad, attacking batsman, is another good captain vice captain. F. Malik also good vice captain. W. Raja, F. Fazal Mohammad, F. Mohammad, and S. Sheki. These are the captain and vice captain choices so that you can go with them. And looking to the ECS side, they have good record, and this can be a one-side match. I think I will go with the ECC side as a 7:4 ratio only, because ECC side looking very good, strong batting order and bowling order also. So try to keep with your own combination only. So try to go with him and try to play the Grand Leagues and head-to-head matches. Your choice. I refer to play the Grand Leagues only so that you can get huge amount only. And coming to the, you can play different fantasy apps like Player Sports and Ballebaji also. So try to play the different apps so that you can some matches. And please, if you like this video, please share this video to your friends, and please subscribe my Telegram channel and YouTube channel. And my Telegram channel link will be in my description. So please support me, friends. Thank you.